Welcome to GMPInsights. We are happy to have you here as a part of our community. In this video we will learn about GMP components. So let me take you through. Good manufacturing practice, GMP, encompasses various requirements and guidelines that ensure the quality, safety, and efficacy of manufactured products in different industries and regulatory authorities. Key components of GMP are following. 1. Quality management system. 2. Personnel and training. 3. Facilities and equipment. 4. Documentation and records. 5. Raw materials and suppliers. 6. Manufacturing processes. 7. Quality control. 8. Packaging and labeling. 9. Product complaints and recall. 10. Audits and inspections. 1. Quality Management System, QMS, a comprehensive system that outlines procedures, processes, and responsibilities to ensure product quality and compliance with GMP standards. It includes document control, change control, deviation management, and quality risk management. 2. Personnel. GMP emphasizes the importance of trained and qualified personnel who understand the principles and procedures necessary for compliant manufacturing. This includes training programs, competency assessments, and maintaining records of personnel qualifications. 3. Facilities and equipment. GMP requires appropriate infrastructure, facilities, and equipment to ensure the quality and safety of products. This includes proper maintenance, calibration, cleaning, and validation of equipment, as well as adequate facility design to prevent cross-contamination and maintain hygiene. 4. Documentation and records. Detailed documentation is crucial in GMP to provide evidence of compliance and traceability. This includes standard operating procedures, SOPs, batch records, manufacturing instructions, validation protocols, and reports. 5. Raw materials and suppliers. GMP emphasizes the control and qualification of raw materials and suppliers. Manufacturers must establish procedures for evaluating, approving, and monitoring suppliers to ensure the quality and integrity of raw materials used in production. 6. Manufacturing processes. GMP requires well-defined and controlled manufacturing processes. This includes process validation, in-process controls, cleaning validation, and batch manufacturing records to ensure consistency and quality of the final product. 7. Quality control. GMP mandates a robust quality control system to test and verify the quality of products. This includes sampling plans, testing methods, specifications, and stability testing to ensure product safety, identity, strength, purity, and quality throughout its shelf life. 8. Packaging and labeling. GMP sets guidelines for proper packaging and labeling of products. This includes ensuring accurate labeling information, tamper-evident packaging, and appropriate storage conditions to maintain product integrity. 9. Product complaints and recall. GMP requires manufacturers to have procedures for handling product complaints and recalls effectively. This includes investigating complaints, implementing corrective actions, and notifying regulatory authorities if necessary. 10. Audits and inspections. Regular audits and inspections are conducted by internal and external parties to ensure compliance with GMP regulations. This includes self-inspections, regulatory inspections, and quality management system audits. These are some of the key components of GMP that ensure the quality and safety of manufacturing processes. Thank you all for watching this video. I hope you found it informative. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming regulatory updates. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers and will do our best to respond to your queries. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. And remember, sharing is caring. If you think this video can benefit someone you know, feel free to share it with them. Once again, thank you for your support and for being a part of our community. We'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay healthy.